Thanks for checking out Scotties Hobbies. Today, I want to show you something like really quick, really fast about inboard wear indicators on brake pads. So, everyone knows your brake pads with the wear indicators go on the inboard pads, but you can see nobody tells you which way the wear indicator should go. I'm going to show you that in this video. Alright. So you can see there's two wear indicators. You could put either one of these on the inboard of the caliper of everything, but which one, where does this go? Your leading edge is always where you want your wear indicator to be located. So in this case, the wheel's turning this way in forward direction. The leading edge is the bottom. So you could put this one in the back and it's the bottom, that's the right way. That's where it's going to go. But you could also install this one on the outboard or inboard pad, sorry, and the wear indicator would be on the top. That's the wrong position. You always want the leading edge to have the wear indicator. So in this case, when it's on the back side of the vehicle, you want it to be on the bottom. If this caliper was located on the front, you would want it on the top side. In this case, it's in the back. The leading edge is on the bottom when the wheel is turning, so you want your wear indicator on the bottom of the inboard pad, not on the top of the inboard pad. That's it. Hopefully this helps. Like, subscribe, and share. Check out Scotties Hobbies. See you guys on the next hopefully helpful video.